Welcome to the world of electric skateboards. If you're looking for a fun and convenient way to get around town, then you've come to the right place. We've rounded up the 5 best electric skateboards that you can buy this year. From sleek, stylish designs to powerful motors, we've got you covered. With these skateboards, you can travel faster and farther than ever before. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, these boards will give you the ride of your life. Let's take a look at the top 5 electric skateboards that you can buy this year. Number 5. Teamgee H3 DIY. The Teamgee H3 DIY electric skateboard is the perfect way to customize your own board with its flexible DIY install kit. This board packs a powerful punch with its 480-watt motor, 25 kilometers per hour top speed, and 9.3 miles range. The board is lightweight at only 9.9 pounds, 4.5 kilogram, and comes with a multifunctional remote to control its 4 speed modes. Whether you're commuting or just having fun, this electric skateboard has you covered. All in all, the Teamgee H3 DIY electric skateboard is a great way to customize your own board and take on new adventures. Number 4. RazorX. The RazorX electric skateboard is a revolutionary way to experience the thrills of electric skateboarding. Powered by a 125-watt motor, this board can reach speeds up to 10 miles per hour and can be used for up to 40 minutes of continuous use. Its 29.7-inch deck length and high-quality 5-ply maple deck make for a lightweight and responsive ride perfect for cruising. Recommended for ages 9 and older and will support a rider up to 220 pounds, the RazorX electric skateboard is sure to provide a thrilling ride. Check out the YouTube video for a full review. Number 3. Fish Skateboards. The Fish Skateboard's 41-inch downhill longboard skateboard is an ideal choice for both beginner and pro skaters. It features an 8-ply Canadian maple deck with an emery non-slip surface for a stable and powerful grip. The board also has 70x51mm HR82 anti-shock PU wheels, a Beck 9 chrome steel, and SHR95 super soft bushings for a smooth and speedy ride. With its 7-inch heavy-duty aluminum alloy trucks and steel axle, this skateboard is reliable and sturdy, making it safe for any level of skater. Overall, the Fish Skateboard's 41-inch downhill longboard skateboard is a great choice for anyone looking for a safe and reliable skateboard. Number 2. EXWAY Wave Hub. The EXWAY Wave Hub electric skateboard offers an unmatched level of flexibility and convenience. The small size and light weight make it easy to store and transport, while the kicktail design provides an unparalleled agility. As well as this, the quick squat battery module allows riders to access a range of up to 20 kilometers, 12 miles on a single charge. The Pro Deck design offers comfort and control, and with integrated front and rear lighting powered by the battery module, you can be sure you'll always be seen. With its 6-month warranty, the EXWAY Wave Hub electric skateboard is a great option for those looking for a reliable and hassle-free ride. Number 1. BLITZART. The BLITZART Hurricane 38 dual brushless hub motor electric skateboard longboard is a great choice for riders looking for a reliable and high-performance electric skateboard. This board is capable of reaching a top speed of 23 miles per hour and has a max range of up to 10 miles on a single charge. The dual motors also make it easy to go up steep hills. The board is also equipped with a secured 36 volts lithium-ion battery pack that can be fully charged within 3 hours. All in all, this board is perfect for riders looking for a reliable and high-performance electric skateboard.